We have to discuss in this video that this is your last chance, which we will review. What will happen to the markets? We'll talk about the dip, the pump, and the cryptocurrency, all currencies, folks, when the markets go forward. We are discussing anything you require. Must be ready for the events that the markets are about to witness. After that, I may have done something a bit weird that we're going to discuss that I've never done before, but I have no problem discussing this with you. Live performance without more delay. Let's dive into a Bitcoin for now. $665,832 is unavailable. 31% of Ethereum, or 3,318. It's now open. The US dollar is worth 99 cents, or 1.33% of what it was earlier. Meanwhile, XRP is down 3% to 57 cents. Leading the way, as always, people. You have to adore it. Where are we at a market capitalization of 500 billion rupees for cryptocurrencies? As we talked about in the day's first video, Bitcoin can yet rise above these lows from here. We're on the verge of filling the CME gap, which was 60 to 64K, but we can still fill those lows. What anticipates happening, in my opinion? We're going to take the plunge, I believe. I really think that Bitcoin is going to take off. I think XRP will eventually reach the bottom 50-cent range. 50 to 52, possibly 53 cents. I don't believe we receive less than 50 cents. If we do, it won't endure. Long before the push-ups begin to show, you are aware that I collaborate with Keith. On this channel, Keith and I talk a lot. Discuss his XRP. You are aware of his forecasts. We had my forecasts in there, sort of. Furthermore, how is XRP progressing? It's easy. It will descend, and then next month, we're moving. The fun will begin in June when XRP starts to push people up, but they aren't the fireworks we're looking for. The true pyrotechnics you've been waiting for will arrive in Q1 of 2025, but they'll starting next month. Where are they? April, yes. May is C. I'm a little lost. Come next month. I can see the percentage of money I currently allocate to each of the 15 cryptocurrencies I own. This is the ridiculous thing I did before our arrival. I was informed that this is known as Rugrat, right? What is a Rugrat? I'm not sure if we should refer to it as a meme coin. But we will, since Solana is a MEM currency. Additionally, the goal of this project is to compile a record of all the dishonest people who have been using the Solana blockchain to commit rug pulls, so you know someone informed me about it as if I would leap. What could damage you when I threw $1,000 at it? Let's check how things are going for us right now. This was released 43 minutes ago, as you can see. We started 44 minutes ago, so it's not too bad that we're at 198% here in the upper right corner. I mean, you're going to give me the money to make $1,000 into $3,000, and I'm willing to accept profits. Though the person I paid money to get in is the reason I'm down for it, I'm almost ready to go. I'm not sure where he is, but I'm hoping that he's napping or something since he needs to get rid of me, but I predict that it will get worse. If I were to give it my all, it would be wonderful if I could picture myself becoming as knowledgeable as you are about 3, 4, and 5. We're at a 2x, for example, and I've never done. Isn't this intriguing and fun? This is the result of hitting them during launch, getting them in early, and then catching you're aware of it, and I just can't stop. Considering that, I'm sure we'll revisit this several times in this video, but come on, people, let's get started. How about we engage in a little fun? You're going to see this as true more and more, so pardon me while I say goodbye to a bit of truth. To start, KYC, you'll notice that there are several ways to accomplish this now since there are several exchanges. You are aware of VPN access to the exchanges around it. That, I'm sure, aren't as rigid as the truth. We'll be in Mexico among them. They're more lenient, or you can. Is this the correct or lawful course of action? How should one properly obtain a Paula ID? It's that easy, which is why so many people are obtaining that ID, and they can use these markets to trade people. Regretfully, the US is extremely stringent if we are having problems since we are unable to purchase many of these, and you are in the United States. Yes, it sucks. Name them coins, crap coins, whatever you want to name them. I understand, I promise. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I genuinely do. The US for us, let's return in 46 minutes to our current position of over 200%. 204% will come because we adore it and want to see it. In a moment, I'll return to that. The Securities and Exchange Commissions have started common periods, and USC is seeking feedback on a spot Ethereum ETF for Bitwise and Grayscale Fidelity applications and ETFs. We already know what's going to happen, so I don't even want to read you this story. People, we already know that an Ethereum ETF is on the horizon. It's occurring, and there's no turning back. Alright, so the SEC had plenty of time to put an end to the corruption and Ethereum, but instead they chose to do absolutely nothing. In any case, the Ethereum ETF is coming. Will it launch this year? I'm not sure. I'm thinking practically. Most likely, we'll see it in the upcoming year. We also received a Bitcoin ETF this year around the same time, but that will happen soon. As I previously mentioned, there will be an exchange-traded fund, ETF, for XRP, a cryptocurrency basket ETF, ETFs you were unaware existed, and an ETF for an ETF until this whole thing is over. Okay, let's return to my tiny item. At number 206, where are we now? I thought we needed a major buy. Here, if we could purchase 2 Solanas, we could ship this item to 220-230. It's okay to pay attention. Right now, I'm telling you that I'll accept anything, even if I don't know where he is. You are aware of the $5,000 that I will accept. I'll go buy some XRP out of 2,000, so 3,000. 60 pennies, that's how many tokens there are. XRP, is it nearly 5,000 XRP, or is it more like 1734? I'll do it for tokens on my map site. I'll carry it out. I DM those people all day. Nothing positive is happening there. A Bitcoin expert predicts that XRP will soar 89% to $6 and pinpoints your last opportunity to purchase. This information originates from Milky Bull, a Bitcoin analyst. Let's look at his chart. He indicated a retest was being conducted on XRP. Immediately after the noted breakout pattern, he restated that XRP was poised for a huge price spike to previously unheard of heights. He stressed that when the bullish rise starts, XRP should trade between $1 and $6. I'll blow it, but isn't that interesting? You go up there. This is what he's considering spending between $1 and $6. That's somewhat strange, as I've been discussing price predictions for XRP 3 to 6. He's currently coming in at $1 to $6. We're obviously dollar folks, and our XRP is smashing an all-time high. Yes, I can confirm that. I am now announcing to you that we will take a permanent pause. I want to know how high we're going to go. It would be amazing to see this. Over $280, anything would be wonderful for me. Higher than a $5 to $6 XRP, however, this is your last opportunity to purchase everything, and everything is ending. The rally begins when the momentum is beginning to taper off on Bitcoin, but it is still under control. This is consistent with every previous cycle of the Bitcoin bull run, which has ended with a decline in the USDT value of 40 to 70% and a decline in the price of Bitcoin of 20 to 50%. Exploding Bitcoin is accurate. Ethereum Meteoric Ethereum fixes every coin is accurate and runs. XRP pumps XRP dumps are going to run over that. That's all, people. That's how easy it is. Oh, we're getting some sales, let's see. We're down with 3 Salon sales. 194%. This is not what I like to see. I want my cash. Let me give, but first, I want my money. I'm looking at you, sleeper, right? I attempted to enter this the other day, but it tore apart. As you can see, it has decreased to 8% from 65% in the previous 90 years. $1.76 is its all-time high. We will review these ranges as well as this. It is merely 8 cents. I'm not sure if this correction is significantly lower.